Hi friends, welcome to my channel Starting Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency that is APRO coin or AT coin. In this video I'll be talking about latest technical answers. So let's begin. This video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. So you can see current price is $0.3171. It is down by 0.81%. Market cap is $72.94 million and the rank is around 335 position. Around 1k users are following this cryptocurrency, and the volume in 24 hours is $267.23 million. It is down by 54%. So now I'll go to the chart and see how the candles are moving. So you can see that I'm in the daily chart. So let me draw the trend line. So you can see this is the support trend line, and this is the resistance trend line here, and there is a resistance trend line over here also, and you can see there is one more resistance over here. Okay, so you can see that within this channel pattern only the candles are moving. So if you go to the 4 hours chart, you can see previously you can see candles started falling from the resistance, came down to support, and then you can see candles were moving in this channel pattern. Okay, fall happened again, the candles went up, fall again, it went up. So fall like this, it was moving in this channel pattern, and then after you can see candles have taken this resistance, and then it was moving in this channel pattern. After the fall you can see candles went up, and then fall happened again, went up. So like this is moving, and here you can see after this candles went to the resistance level, fall happened. Now candles are moving in a upward direction. Okay, so if you draw the trend line, you can see this is the support trend line, and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the candles are moving up. Okay, so you can see slowly it is moving towards this resistance trend line. Okay, so you can see that very clearly. Okay, and if you go to the daily chart also, you can see the candles are moving in a upward direction. So little fall may take place, and then candles may start moving in this uptrend channel pattern. Okay, if there is a breakout happens from this channel pattern, then candles may come down to support, and then it may start moving towards this resistance level. Okay, for as of now the candles are continuously moving in this uptrend channel pattern. Okay, and if the breakout happen, it may come down to support, and then it may start moving towards this resistance level. Support is around 0.26465, and the resistance is around 0.31817, and then fall may take place. In case if it gives a breakout, then it may move to this resistance level, which is around 0.41237. Okay, so like this the candles are moving in this downtrend channel pattern. Okay, so now we'll talk about another cryptocurrency, that is TRADOOR coin, and you can see current price is $1.15. It is down to 59%. Rank is around 801 position. Around 3k users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is $16.5 million. It is up by 23%. Volume in 24 hours is $22.1 million. It is up by 12%. And you can see the rank is around 801 position. Around 3k users are following this cryptocurrency. So now I'll go to the chart and see how the candles are moving. So you can see that I'm in the weekly chart. So let us draw the trend line. You can see this is the support trend line, and this is the resistance trend line. So previously you can see candles were moving in a upward direction. Okay, and then breakout happened, and then candles started falling. Okay, so if you draw the trend line, you can see candles were falling in this channel pattern. So this is support, and this is the resistance. Okay, and if you go to the daily chart also, you can see that very clearly. After this breakout, you can see continuously the candles were moving in a upward direction. So this is the support trend line. Okay, and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the candles were moving up, and then breakout happened. So candles came down to support. It has taken support here, then went up, and then continuously it was moving in this channel pattern, and now you can see the breakout has happened. So now candles are falling in this downtrend channel pattern. So this is the support, and this is the resistance. So like this the candles are falling in this channel pattern. So fall has happened, so candles have come down support level, and if you go to the 4 hours chart, you can see candles were falling in this channel pattern. Continuously it is falling in this channel pattern. Okay, if there is a breakout happen, it may go to the resistance level, or else it will fall continuously in this downtrend channel pattern. And if there is a breakout happen, it may go to the resistance level, which is around 8 or 1.22. okay, for then from that fall may take place. So like this the candles may come down to the support level, and once the breakout happens, then candles may start moving towards this resistance level, and then fall may take place. So like this it is moving in this channel pattern. You can see that very clearly. Okay, so you can see that continuously the candles are moving in this downtrend channel pattern. Previously it was moving in this channel pattern. Okay, now it is moving in a downward side. Okay, so you can see that. So that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.